So hey, what's up everyone? This is Javi back here with another video. So yeah, today I am going to my college by bus. Yeah, actually I am super excited because today I will finally get my Google Cloud GenAI Study Jam swags after so many months. Yes, I had participated in the Google Cloud GenAI Study Jam for the last time. Yes, since this year I am passing out of college, so no more participation from next time. So it was such an amazing learning experience, and I am really happy that I ranked among the top 80 participants. And because of that, I'm getting some really cool swags from Google. Yes. Cannot wait to unbox them and show you all what I got. After that, I met with some of my friends and we sat together, talked about our projects, codes, and all that tech stuff. Yeah.
এই নন্দিনী এটা দেখা দেখি
আসছে না।
আমার বুড়ো করে দিয়েছে
ভালো লাগছে।
বুড়ো করেছে তোকে আমার মনে তো হচ্ছে হ্যাঁ এবার করেছে
করেছে করেছে।
It's always fun discussing ideas and learning from each other. Yeah. Later, we went out and had some ice cream, just chilling and enjoying the moment. And after that, I headed back to my home by bus.
বাকিটা আর তোমার একদম
ওই পুচকু ওই পুচকু ওই পুচকু কি হয়েছে কি হয়েছে গল্প করছো কেন
And after some time, I reached home, and now it's finally time to unbox those awesome swags from the Google developer group of my college. Yes, let's check out what's inside. So, let's go. So, guys, it is the time to unbox these swags, okay? So, let's unbox the swags which I have received from my on campus Google developers group. Yeah, I have participated in the event called Study Jam Gen AI. So after participating in top 80, I got in rank. So yeah, I got this swags, as you can see here, and this, this cup mug, whatever. Yeah. So the logo and this, bottle and whatever. So let's unbox this and let's see what's inside. And yeah, let's have it. So yeah. So first unbox this, I got this one. They are different colors, but I got this one, this color. Hope you can see. So let's unbox it. Oh, okay, okay. It's a different color. I got this white one. Yeah, it's good. Yeah. They are different colors as you can see here. Hope you can see. Yeah. Now this, this is very okay. And this very good. Vacuum flask. This is vacuum flask. Okay. So it's really very good. So let's, as you can see, so this is the flask, vacuum flask. Okay. Yeah, very good. This one. Now unbox this, I have this Google developer on campus, yeah, Google developer group on campus. Here is computer written, as you can hope you can see. The camera is getting blurred because, I have set it down for better, videographic and view. Yeah, for sure.
So this the mug.
That's good. Good quality mug, Yeah. Yeah. So now the most demanding, everyone wants a t-shirt here. The logo, as you can see. So let's unbox it, and our logo with the stickers. Some sticker set also be here, as you can see. And the sticker set is, so let's first the sticker set. Yeah. Google developer group. Hope you can see. Yeah. Gemini and everything here. And this, this t-shirt. This one. As you can see, Google developer group on campus is written here. So hope it fits well. Yeah. This is the t-shirt, as you can see. And this sticker set, I've received Gemini and this global Google AI and all. And this Google developer group. Hope you can see, guys. It's
and this tuition. Most demanding this one. On campus, first time on campus, I got this goodies, swags from the Google's group. On campus, my college. This is government college, so as you got to know that demanding, pretty demanding. And in West Bengal, our college rank 1, first rank. Yeah. And GDGs, you know. So let's wear it and let's see how it fits me. Hope it fits well on me. Okay. Yeah, it's good. As you can see the logo here. Yeah. Google Developers Group on campus. So yeah, it fits really very well. And the color is also good. It's a darkish color and I like darkish colors, you know it. Black color and so on. So this is the unboxing video for all of you guys. Hope you can like these swags and as well as the stickers which I have received from the, you know, Google group, our group, GDG and all. So yeah. Oh, here also be, you know, written Google Developers Group on campus. Yeah. I have just seen it right now. So yeah. Whatever. So these are the swags which I have received from my college campus on campus, you know, from the Google itself. So yeah. Thank you very much all of you. And thank you very much to the Gen AI Study Jams group. Lastly, our beloved Google team. Thank you very much for that, for providing us these swags and all. So yeah, this all for me, my side. Bye bye.
ওরে ওরে বুঝিয়ে দে।
কি করছে এরা দুজন মিলে? এই চটকাচ্ছে আরে দেখছে চটকানোটা, মানে ওই আইসক্রিম মারুনের ওটার কথা বলছে।
কেন ভয় লাগে? ও মেয়ে হয়ে যদি বলবে আমাকে কি লাগছে?